Welcome to the Museo. It's that time of the year again when the Muzeo Express rolls into Anaheim. In 2016, Muzeo Express rolled into downtown Anaheim and became what is now an annual holiday tradition. Museo Museum and Cultural Center is proud to host this impressive display of model trains year after year to the delight of families and communities around Orange County. In 2016, this exhibit started here in the Carnegie, and then it moved into the main gallery. And we're so excited to have it back in a more intimate setting, back in the Carnegie building. Anaheim has a deeply rooted connection to the railroad. In the 1870s, as a transcontinental railroad was moving across the country, Los Angeles County, which at the time included Orange County, offered the South Pacific Railroad Company a subsidy or a bribe to build tracks from the county to the transcontinental line. Work on Anaheim's first station began in 1873, with service commencing on January 14, 1875. The metal trains and buildings on display in the Timeless Template exhibit. These are some of the first model trains ever built, going back to the 1700s. Tin plates were commercially produced in the late 1800s and sold in high-end stores. I hope I have piqued your interest with a little history and a little bit of knowledge about the trains. Join us for the Muzeo Express in a more intimate setting in the Carnegie building. This exhibit will be until January 22nd. And one of the things that we've added this year, we've added the scavenger hunt. This is an opportunity to really make sure that you're seeing all the details of this beautiful exhibit. This exhibit is perfect for the entire family. So join us at the Museo for the Muzeo Express. Happy holidays!